What if I tell you that I'm planning to make over 200,000 naira in the next 15 days? I know it sounds too good to be true. In fact, personally for me, hearing it sounds too good to be true. Now, before you crucify me, hold on, let me show you my personal strategy. How I want to make over 200,000 naira in the next 15 days, if this is actually possible or I am just wasting my time. Okay, now see me for the first time, you'll come to my channel, this Solid Pictures TV. I talk about different side hustles. You want to get more content from me, hit that like button, like, share, subscribe. You can support the channel by clicking on the thank you button that you're seeing, or you can join our community. Thank you very much. Comment where you're watching from down in the comment section below. I'll really appreciate you if you can actually do this for me. Have you guys ever heard of something called IPO? IPO. I know this actually sounds strange. If you've not heard about IPO before, it might sound strange. That is the strategy we are going to be using today. The strategy is called IPO. I know I'm going to explain this. Recently, Dangote came up and said that he's going to be launching his company into the Nigerian Stock Exchange recently, and a lot of people are preparing to jump into this. I know this sounds like a good opportunity, but the fact is that there are still a lot of people that don't know how to go about this. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my own personal strategy. You can just watch and learn. You can just entertain yourself. I just want to show you what I'm planning to do, or what I am planning to achieve in the next 15 days. So there's absolutely no guarantee that this might work out for you. Dangote came out and said that he's planning to launch his company into the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Now, mind you, I'm not a professional when it comes to the stock market, right? I'm not a professional. Now, there are a lot of people that are patiently waiting to buy Dangote's IPO. So what you have to do right here is for you to buy these particular stocks, or you should be the first person or among the first people that purchase these stocks when they just list it to the public. When they list it to the public, there's something they call fixed price. So it has what they call a fixed price. So the price there is actually fixed, so it doesn't fluctuate. So before they start trading it, buying and selling, they first of all list it and it has a fixed price. Now, if you can buy it when it has this fixed price right here, that is the advantage you have against other investors in the future, because the fixed price might be 60 naira, okay, it might be 100 naira, it might be 1,000 naira, and in the future it might go up, it might go below that, it might go higher than that. So that is why it is an opportunity. And this particular system right here is called IPO. They call it initial public offering. Okay, they call it initial, which is the I, the P stands for public, okay, the O stands for offering. That's why they call it IPO. So that is what I'm planning to do. But while we are waiting for Dangote to list his company, the Dangote refinery, there's another one that is currently hot right now that I want to jump into right now. That is why I'm actually making this particular video. I'm going to see if this is going to be profitable in the next 15 to 30 days, and that is how I want to make my 200,000 naira. You have to work with me carefully. First thing I have to do, if I want to be buying IPO, is for me to register with the Nigerian Stock Exchange, NGX. NGX is very important. And what do I need? The first thing I need right here is something they call CS number. You need that CS number. You need a CHN number. That's another thing you need if you want to be buying IPOs and things like this. Okay, CS number and CHN number. How can you get this CS and CHN number? Well, personally for me, how I got mine, because you cannot do without it if you want to go into this, I got mine from Carrywise. So I registered my account on Carrywise because Carrywise is actually a stockbroker, a stockbroking company. I registered my account, verified my account. They gave me my own CSCS number and they gave me my own CHN number. So that's how I got mine, and that is how you can actually get yours. So they call it CSCS number, CS number, or a CHN number. That is what you need for you to get into this right here. Okay, so after you register with Carrywise, I don't know about other apps, but Carrywise is where I got my own. Now, this information is something people are paying money to learn, but I have to give it out for free because I like carrying my community along. Okay, so get this. First of all, register with them and get this number. After that, you come down to the NGX website. This NGX website will allow you to see different companies that are currently in their IPO stage. For example, right here we have this is Dangote Sugar. I think Dangote Sugar right issued. So this one, not everybody might be qualified for this. And we also have this other one, they call it International Energy Insurance something. This one, the IPO is at 3.2 naira. 3.2 naira. That is the IPO they have right now. I told you guys that I'm still new to this, and so I'm planning to earn. So I'm just walking you guys through my personal process. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is for me to sign up my account. How can I sign up? For me to sign up, I have to come down here and click on the invest now. So if I click on that, they will say returning investor, new investor. I am a new investor. They're going to ask me for all this information, my bank account, my BVN, all these things, date of birth, everything. I'm going to insert everything. After that, they're going to ask me how many units I want to buy. I put in the amount, then I place my order. Don't worry, I'm going to be placing another order because I registered my account recently. Okay, let me log in my account. Let me try to buy. The IPO is they have 3.2 naira. Closing date on the 11th of June, which is today. So I have to buy very, very fast. And they say myself dependent. This dependent is if you want to buy for somebody, myself if you want to buy for yourself. So let me click on continue. They say how many do you want to buy? Now I already purchased some. I want to buy another 3,000 shares from them. Now they say preferred broker. So I need to select my broker. I'm using Meristem. Meristem is from Carrywise. Meristem stockbroker. They are from Carrywise. So 3,000 shares right here will cost me 9,600 naira. Now I already purchased 5,000 shares earlier. 5,000 plus 3,000, that's over 8,000 shares. So the question is, will this make me 200k? So let's calculate that. We have 8,000 shares at the rate of 3.2 naira. So let's do some rough maths. 3.2 times 8,000 shares. How much capital is that? That's 25,600 naira capital. So we have 25,000 naira capital right here. All right, so now let's say they launch this today or tomorrow, and in the next 15 days this actually fluctuates to around 9 naira. I mean, it might be more, but let's just use 9 naira as an example. Okay, so let's say this fluctuates to 9 naira trading volume, 9 naira. So let's multiply 9 naira for one share times 8,000 shares. That will give me 72,000 naira. Okay, now 72,000 naira minus 25,000 naira, that will give me 47,000 naira profit. Now, mind you, this company is still going to be giving me dividends either every quarter or every 6 months, or based on how their dividends actually goes. So they are going to be sending my dividends, and if I decide to sell this, I'm going to be making this amount of profit right here. This is not 200,000 naira. For me to get to 200,000 naira, so I need to buy a share worth over 96,000 naira capital, and it fluctuates to 9 naira times 30,000 shares. That's going to give us 270,000. 270,000 minus 96,000 naira, that will give us 174,000 naira profit. This is speculation. I'm not saying this is how it's going to be. Okay, it might launch and it dropped to 1 naira. It might launch and it goes up. So it might take 3 months, it might take 1 year before it fluctuates. But the thing is that it's going to definitely fluctuate. Okay, so this is how I'm planning to earn over 200,000 naira in the next 15 to 30 days. This is how I'm planning to earn this amount of money. Okay, I'm saying this because Dangote will be on this IPO very, very soon. So start now and start getting ready. So recently I got my dividends from some companies that I invested into using the Truth app. The money there was not much, right? Because of the capital I invested into the company, and also because of the amount of shares I bought from the company. So the dividends there was not really that much. But let me know in the comment section if you've gotten dividends from any company before, or you have not, or you don't even know what you are doing. And I'm planning to create a step-by-step class on how you can start the stock market, a step-by-step class. Make sure you follow me on my cirrden account, join my Telegram community, join my WhatsApp community, so that once I drop this particular class, and you're going to be the first person to check this out. Tell me what you think in the comment section, guys.